We have Professor Henri with us at the Bad Nauheim International Competitive Intelligence Conference, and I would like to ask you a few questions. Number one, you organize now the 4th European Competitive Intelligence Symposium. How do you compare it to your past conferences?
Okay, so for me, there is 2 points which are important. First of all, we make several meetings, and second of all, we organize it with Competitive Intelligence Germany, with Henri. And what I'm very glad to say that for me the quality improved. It improved in 2 ways. The first one is that the quality of the academics, because I follow the academics, is better. And second of all, there is a mix between academic and practitioners and exhibitors, and this is very good because all those type of people can speak together, can discuss together, and it creates some sort of a community, which is for me very important. And the fact you have a community, the fact you have the right questions, the fact you have people which are looking to what they are doing each others, means that the level will be increasing this year if we continue that way.
Thank you very much. So what are the main scientific advances in competitive intelligence due to the scientific research?
Okay, so in my opinion, there are 2 things which appears to be very interesting. The first one is the development of softwares to be able to analyze a huge amount of unstructured informations, to make maps, to make networks, and to be able to analyze the behavior of science, people, and patents, for instance. This is the first point. And of course, it is helped by the power of the computer and so on. But the second aspect, which for me is very important, is that competitive intelligence for years was looking for patents, was looking for scientific information, was looking for commercial and marketing. Now competitive intelligence is turning its eyes to social behavior of people, and the interaction of competitive intelligence and social networks, social behavior of people will bring a new dimensions which will be very important to know your competitor and also to do what is called now the crowdsourcing, which means what people want, and that could be analyzed by competitive intelligence practitioners and bring back to the company. So in my opinion, there are 2 points which are the more changes between the past and today.
So my final question for you, how do you see the future of competitive intelligence in France?
That's a more difficult question. So in my opinion, people should talk less and act more. That's the first point. Second of all, in France, we have a lot of people which have not the quality to be competitive intelligence practitioner, and which claims everywhere that they are the best. So that needs to be clean in some sort of way, maybe with accreditation, maybe with a label, but this is very important. And after that, I think that the future of competitive intelligence in France is to introduce competitive intelligence into small companies. Because we have in France a lack of companies of 200, 500 people, and we have a lot of small companies. And if we want to help those small companies to go to international market, to bring together to make a project, competitive intelligence will be interesting a lot to do that. And of course, we have the pole of competitiveness. But in the pole of competitiveness, as far as I know, because I know many poles, you don't have a competitive intelligence unit which is linked to the governance of the pole. So again, here, there is a lack of understanding of what is going on. There is a lack of understanding of what the competitors are doing. And of course, the projects which are going out of the pole are not very relevant with the development of, I will say, an aggressive opposition to go to the conquest of new international markets.
Thank you very much, Professor Du, for your insight.
Okay, thank you.